Sleeping supplements, the top 5 best natural sleep aids. We all know how critical sleep is. Without good quality sleep, you'll lumber about your day tired, groggy, and feeling foggy. And nothing is worse than this happening during an important event where you need to stay sharp, focused, and energized. But despite your awareness of the importance of sleep, you know it doesn't always come easy. So if you find it hard to fall asleep at night, if you toss and turn as you count the sheep away in vain, this video is for you. Up ahead are some powerful natural sleep supplements you can use to enjoy high quality, restful sleep that will truly rejuvenate and restore your mind and body and optimally prepare you for your day. Hey, I'm LOrnithine, and I'm the founder of Activated Potential, as well as the creator of the Ultimate Energy Crash Course, the step-by-step guide to help you optimize your biology and improve your energy. If you want to have high energy levels and live a healthy life, you need to make sure that you're getting not only enough sleep, but also quality sleep. There are many factors to consider, including your environment, your nutrition, and your sleep consistency. But even if all these things were up to par, that might still not be enough. Most of you at some point in your life have probably experienced some trouble sleeping, and you might even be experiencing that right now. There are a cascade of factors that could be causing this, but if you're taking care of the sleep basics, these troubles won't be chronic, and you'll be getting restful sleep soon enough. Still, that doesn't mean you shouldn't be prepared for those nights when you just can't sleep to be able to stop tossing and turning. One of the most effective ways you can do this is with sleep supplements. This is why I'll be sharing with you the top 5 natural sleep supplements that will have you catching Z's in no time. So pay close attention, and the next time you can't seem to fall asleep, you'll be ready. Even just one night of bad sleep can affect your energy levels and cognitive performance immensely. And for most of you, these sleepless nights will come right before an important test or a meeting, or some other important event where you simply can't afford to be exhausted and drained from bad sleep. So make sure to include these natural sleep supplements in your toolbox to ensure that you'll be performing at your best all the time. Let's get started. Number 1, chamomile. When it comes to sleep supplementation, the cardinal rule is this: less is more. You want to intervene as little as possible. Supplementing with something that is too strong might damage your sleep quality or leave you feeling groggy in the morning. That is why coming in at number 1 in our list is chamomile. Chamomile is a plant that's very often consumed as a tea. Chamomile has been shown to provide numerous health benefits. And fortunately, it's also a great sedative. There are a number of compounds in chamomile that might contribute to its sleep-inducing effects. One of the most interesting is the flavonoid apigenin. Apigenin has been found to bind to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain, which gives it hypnotic, calming, and anxiety-reducing properties. When it comes to sleep supplements, we're always looking for at least one of these effects, and chamomile has all 3. In addition, chamomile is relatively mild and can be consumed fairly often. Because of these factors and its other health boosting benefits, chamomile is a great go-to sleep supplement. Another awesome perk about chamomile is that it's simply delicious. I recommend that you make chamomile tea with some honey and MCT oil. Blend them up and you'll have a creamy, delicious drink that will not only help you fall asleep, but also boost your sleep quality by ensuring proper sleep nutrition. The next time you're finding it difficult to catch some Z's, or the next time you simply want to ensure good sleep before that big event, give chamomile a shot. You won't be disappointed. Number 2, L-ornithine. At number 2 is a supplement you may be unfamiliar with. This is the amino acid L-ornithine. Many of you might know that amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. However, we also have non-protein amino acids, and one of these is ornithine. Ornithine is found in small amounts in certain foods, but when we supplement with larger amounts of it, some interesting effects start to appear. Ornithine has been found to decrease fatigue, so it should come as no surprise that ornithine has also been found to improve sleep quality. We don't know exactly what causes this, however, ornithine has been found to be a potent stress reducer. Ornithine is more effective for some people than it is for others. In my experience, it's powerful, and the fact that it can increase sleep quality and energy levels means it belongs on this list. We definitely recommend that you give ornithine a shot, as it just might be exactly what you need. Ornithine isn't discussed too often, and it's left out of most lists, which is a shame, but I firmly believe that it should be considered for everyone's sleep supplementation toolbox. I think this one will come as a pleasant surprise for you if you decide to give it a try. Number 3, Ltryptophan. Since we're talking about amino acids and sleep, we can't fail to mention tryptophan. Tryptophan is one of the most well-known natural sleep aids, and for good reason. It's a building block of melatonin. Tryptophan gets converted into serotonin, which is a happiness hormone, which is then used to make melatonin, which is the sleep hormone. This means that in addition to helping you sleep, tryptophan might also make you happier. We get tryptophan in some amounts from food, but supplementation can be a very good idea. Since tryptophan doesn't directly affect sleep, you can actually take it every day without damaging your sleep. This is what makes tryptophan such a great sleep supplement. Melatonin. As mentioned, melatonin is the sleep hormone. It helps us feel sleepy and get a better sleep. So obviously supplementing with melatonin will give us better sleep and allow us to fall asleep faster. However, there are two big problems with melatonin supplementation which I have to mention. First, most melatonin supplements contain doses that are way too high. You want to supplement with melatonin in micrograms, not milligrams. Always keep that in mind. Second, if you frequently supplement with melatonin, your body's natural production of it decreases, which is not good. So you need to make sure that melatonin supplementation doesn't become a regular part of your sleep routine. And if it does, it needs to be in the micrograms, so very small amounts. If you choose to supplement with melatonin but want a more natural alternative, tart cherry juice or concentrate is a great option. Melatonin appears in a couple of different foods, including cherries, so tart cherry juice is a great natural alternative to straight up melatonin. If you're careful with your supplementation of melatonin, it can be an incredibly effective choice for ensuring proper sleep. Number 5, lemon balm. Lemon balm is a plant that's widely been used both as a cognitive booster and as a natural sleep aid. Lemon balm has relaxing, stress-reducing, and anti-anxiety properties that make it super useful if stressful thoughts about the day ahead keep you up at night. As the name suggests, lemon balm has a pleasant citrusy taste, which makes it a great choice as a calming tea. Lemon balm is not overly sedating, so it can also be used to combat just general anxiety. It also works great in tandem with an adaptogenic herb called ashwagandha. So if anxiety frequently keeps you awake, I would recommend looking into both regular supplementation of lemon balm and ashwagandha. But lemon balm works great on its own too in chronic and acute dosing. So if you don't suffer from daily anxiety, it's still a great item to have in your toolbox the next time you just can't drift away into dreamland. And that concludes our list of the 5 most effective natural sleep supplements. Make sure to give these a try and you will find something to suit your needs. Before I get going, I'd like to invite you again to check out the Ultimate Energy Crash Course, your definite guide to helping you optimize your biology for total body health and improved levels of energy and wellness. This will spread into your life in so many different ways. It will help your relationships, it will help your career, it will help you make more money, it will help you be more attractive to the opposite sex, it will even help you be more free because you have more energy to do all the things you want to do. So if you like this video, you definitely will enjoy the contents of that course. Just go to activatedbody.com to grab a free copy. Also, feel free to click on the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching. With the natural sleep supplements you learned about, you're on your way to faster, more restful sleep and ultimately more energized, productive days. Try one or more of these supplements and let me know how it goes. You can ask me any questions too. I'll get back to you as soon as I can in the comments below. And if you liked this video, please subscribe. I'm excited to share more material with you in the future like this. Together, let's activate your potential.